If you're choosing between Timekettle W4 Pro and M3, this isn't just translator earbuds versus translator earbuds. It's pro-level communication versus budget convenience. So, which one is actually worth it? Let's break it down. Timekettle W4 Pro is built for serious communication. It doesn't just translate conversations. It handles phone calls, Zoom meetings, and even videos with subtitles in real time, making it closer to a full interpreter system. It also uses multiple microphones and AI processing to improve accuracy, especially in noisy environments. But here's the catch. It's expensive and honestly overkill for casual use. Timekettle M3 takes a simpler approach. It focuses on basic two-way translation for everyday conversations, making it great for travel or light use. The downside is that it relies heavily on the app and doesn't have advanced features like call or media translation, so it feels more like a smart accessory than a full system. From real user feedback, M3 handled normal conversation really smoothly. W4 Pro is accurate, but still needs clear audio. So which one is worth it? Choose W4 Pro if you need professional-level translation for work, meetings, or frequent cross-language communication. Choose M3 if you just want something affordable for travel or casual conversations. Bottom line, W4 Pro is significantly more powerful, but for most people, it's not necessary. If you're not using translation daily or for business, the M3 is the better value. But if you are, the W4 Pro is on a completely different level. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.